Hello, my dear friends. Today I am going to tell you that how you can unlike me. How I earned $67,000 in just 1 year through Champ Cash. Champ Cash is a plan which can fulfill all of your dreams, and here is the proof in my dashboard. I have earned around $67,660. You are sitting anywhere in the world. It doesn't depend. You can earn like me. How I earned. I have just invited my friends to Champ Cash through invite and earn option. There is the option of invite and earn. You can select any message from here. You can click on the message. You can now invite your friend through your WhatsApp, email, Facebook, anything as you want. Now after inviting your friend, you can ask your friend to click on this income junction. Initially, income junction is for 15 days trial period, and here are the two facilities, and these two facilities can make you millionaire. First is opinion, second is the offer wall. What is opinion? In opinion, you can see number of surveys and opinions, and you have to give some answers of question, and you will earn every time. After that, offer wall. In offer wall, there are number of advertisers, and you can earn by playing games, you can earn by watching videos, you can earn by installing applications, you can earn by registering on the applications, and many more things. Here you can earn as much as you can want. But my dear friends, the income junction is free of cost just for 15 days. After 15 days, you have to upgrade your ID to the Income Junction Pro. Right now you can see that I am a Pro member. But if you want to upgrade your ID, then you have to click on, you will see a upgrade now button there in your screen. When you click on the upgrade now button, you can see the number of payment methods. Right now I'm telling you how you can see the payment methods. Suppose here is written enter ID to activate. Suppose you want to upgrade your ID or any person's ID, then you will enter ID here, and you can enter referral person ID also. Referral person will get $1. Submit. Here are the all details. Submit. And right now you can see all the payment methods. If you want to upgrade your ID through Champ Cash, you can upgrade it through Champ Cash. If you want to upgrade through Google, if you want to upgrade through Payza, add-on wallet, income junction, there are many options you can upgrade your ID. And what you get after upgradation? You will get a lifetime business if you upgrade your Income Junction Pro version. You can't believe that you can earn as much as you want, because these opinions and these offer wall can fulfill all of your dreams. And if you refer your friend and your friend become a Pro member through you, then how much you can earn, I am telling you. If you are an activator, suppose you are activating your friend's ID from your ID through Payza or through Google Play Store or through Champ Cash wallet, then you will get $2 of the activation bonus. And you are the referral, then you will get $1 again of referral. Total will be $3. And if your friend is at your level 1, then you will get $1.5 again. Means $4.5 of one ID upgradation of income junction. And what your friend will get, your friend will return get $11 of activation. he spends around 12 to 14 dollars and he will get back 11 dollars, and you will get back 4.5 dollars, and other money will be distributed to the 7 levels. From level 1 you will get 1.5 dollars, from level 2 to level 7 you will get half of dollars. So my dear friends, just imagine if in one day you upgrade 10 people, then you can earn 4.5 dollars from each person. It means 45 dollars from each person from each day. 45 dollars per day you can earn, my dear friends. And this is only your income. If your team duplicates, and if you ask your team to do the work like you, then just imagine how much you can earn, my dear friends. So just start from today and don't stop till you get success in Champ Cash. Jai Champ Cash.